Welcome to Techatop, the best commercial ice maker machines in 2026. In this video, we review the top models for performance, ice production, storage capacity, reliability, and energy efficiency. Whether you run a restaurant, hotel, bar, or cafe, there's a perfect machine for your needs. Stay tuned to find the best options for your business. Check links in the description for prices and more details today. Number 5. The Antarctic Star 352-pound Daily Production Cube Clear Ice Freestanding Ice Maker SZ58160YJ plus Z58160S is a high-capacity commercial machine built to meet the demanding needs of busy food service environments. Designed with a durable stainless steel exterior and a food-grade interior, it offers both long-lasting performance and easy maintenance, making it suitable for restaurants, bars, hotels, and cafes. One of its strongest features is its impressive ice production capability. This machine can produce up to 352 pounds of clear cube ice within 24 hours, with each cycle delivering around 160 cubes in just 11 to 20 minutes. This fast output ensures a continuous ice supply even during peak hours, helping businesses maintain efficiency and customer satisfaction. The large built-in storage bin holds up to 198 pounds of ice, which reduces the need for frequent emptying and allows for convenient bulk storage. The thick insulation helps preserve ice for longer periods, which is especially useful in high-demand situations. Operation is simple, thanks to the intuitive LCD control panel. Users can adjust ice thickness, set timers, monitor full bin alerts, and activate the automatic cleaning function with ease. The self-cleaning feature is particularly valuable for maintaining hygiene and reducing manual effort over time. In terms of flexibility, the freestanding design allows installation in various locations as long as a proper water connection is available. Its compact yet powerful build fits well in commercial kitchens or beverage stations. Overall, this Antarctic Star ice maker delivers excellent performance, large capacity, and user-friendly controls, making it a reliable choice for businesses that require consistent and efficient ice production every day. Number 4. The Velivi Commercial Ice Maker 450-pound Daily Built-in or Freestanding Ice Maker Machine with 55-pound Storage WQJR 144WF is a high-performance appliance designed for demanding commercial and residential use. With its stainless steel exterior and food-grade PP interior liner, this machine offers both durability and easy cleaning. Its modern design also gives it a professional appearance that fits well in restaurants, bars, cafes, offices, and large home kitchens. Wayfair. One of the standout features of this model is its excellent production speed. It can produce up to 144 clear ice cubes in a single cycle, with cycles taking around 12 to 20 minutes. Over a full day, it can generate as much as 450 pounds of ice, making it ideal for locations where ice demand is constant and heavy. This level of output can easily support drink service, food displays, and event hosting. The storage bin provides space for up to 77 pounds of ice, allowing users to keep a ready supply available during busy hours. Strong insulation helps preserve the ice for longer periods, reducing waste and maintaining convenience throughout the day. The smart LCD control panel adds practical convenience. It includes self-cleaning, defrosting, timer reservation, full ice alerts, water shortage warnings, malfunction indicators, and intelligent temperature control. These functions make daily operations simple while reducing maintenance effort. Another advantage is its quiet and efficient compressor. It cools quickly while keeping noise and energy use relatively low. The included water filter also helps create clearer and harder ice cubes by improving water quality. Overall, the Velivi WQJR 144WF is a dependable and productive ice maker that combines capacity, convenience, and efficiency. It is an excellent investment for anyone needing a consistent and professional ice supply every day. Number 3. The Coolake Commercial Ice Maker Machine K350 is a high-performance appliance designed for businesses that need a dependable and steady supply of ice every day. With the ability to produce up to 450 pounds of full cube ice in 24 hours, this model is an excellent choice for restaurants, hotels, churches, cafes, grocery stores, and catering operations. Its large 360-pound storage bin ensures there is always plenty of ice available during busy service periods. The stainless steel exterior gives the machine a professional appearance, while also providing durability for demanding commercial environments. Its freestanding 22-inch design makes installation practical in kitchens, beverage stations, or prep areas without taking excessive floor space. The included accessories, such as the water filter, inlet hose, drain hoses, scoop, and stable feet, make setup more convenient for first-time users. One of the strongest features of this machine is its easy operation. The advanced LCD control panel clearly displays the ice-making process and allows users to adjust cube thickness and cycle settings. It also includes automatic cleaning and built-in diagnostics, helping reduce maintenance effort while keeping the machine running efficiently. These smart features are valuable in fast-paced workplaces where time matters. The upgraded water filtration system is another major benefit. It helps reduce scale buildup and can improve both machine lifespan and ice quality. Cleaner water often results in clearer, better-tasting cubes, which is important for beverages and food presentation. Overall, the Coolake K350 is a reliable and efficient commercial ice maker that combines strong output, generous storage, user-friendly controls, and durable construction. It is a smart investment for businesses that require consistent ice production and low operating hassle throughout the year. Number 2. The COTLIN 650 pounds per 24 hours commercial freestanding ice maker machine T50A is a high-performance solution designed for heavy-duty commercial environments such as restaurants, bars, hotels, cafes, and large catering operations. Built to deliver consistent and reliable ice production, it ensures businesses never run short during peak service hours. With the ability to produce up to 650 pounds of clear cube ice daily and a large 350-pound storage bin, this machine is engineered for high-demand usage. It is capable of supporting thousands of drinks per day, making it highly suitable for busy hospitality settings where ice consumption is constant and unpredictable. The large storage capacity helps maintain a ready supply, reducing downtime and improving service efficiency. One of the strongest features of this model is its durable construction and efficient cooling system. The stainless steel body provides strength and easy cleaning, while the COTLIN compressor ensures stable performance and long operating life. The double-layer insulation helps keep ice frozen for up to 10 hours, reducing waste from melting and maintaining ice quality for longer periods. The smart self-cleaning function is another valuable addition. It allows the machine to automatically clean internal components, reducing manual effort and improving hygiene standards. The LCD control panel is intuitive and user-friendly, offering clear controls for ice production settings, temperature adjustments, and system alerts. Energy efficiency is also a key benefit, as the machine is designed to operate with lower power consumption while still maintaining high output. This makes it a cost-effective long-term investment for businesses. Overall, the COTLIN T50A is a powerful, efficient, and reliable commercial ice maker. It delivers excellent capacity, smart features, and durable performance, making it a strong choice for any high-demand food service operation. Number 1. The VEVOR Commercial Ice Maker Machine 450 pounds per 24 hour is a high-capacity and efficient solution designed for demanding business environments such as bars, cafes, restaurants, and hotels. Built to deliver consistent ice production, it can generate up to 450 pounds of ice in 24 hours, while storing up to 250 pounds in its stainless steel insulated bin. This combination ensures a steady supply of ice even during the busiest service hours, helping businesses maintain smooth and uninterrupted operations. One of the most impressive features of this machine is its fast ice-making capability. With 182 ice trays and a powerful compressor, it can produce a fresh batch of ice in just 12 to 15 minutes. Users can also adjust ice thickness by controlling the production time, giving flexibility for different beverage and food service needs. The intelligent touchscreen control panel makes operations simple and efficient. It allows users to easily adjust settings, activate the self-cleaning function, and monitor real-time status indicators. This user-friendly design reduces training time for staff and improves overall workflow efficiency in commercial kitchens. Hygiene and maintenance are also well addressed with the one-touch self-cleaning function. This feature helps remove internal buildup automatically, ensuring clean ice production while reducing manual maintenance efforts. In addition, the machine is designed with strong insulation, using cotton and galvanized sheet casing. This helps maintain ice quality for up to 6 to 8 hours, even in case of power interruption. reducing waste and ensuring reliable availability. Overall, the VEVOR 450 lbs commercial ice maker is a powerful, durable, and efficient machine that offers fast production, large storage capacity, and smart features. It is an excellent investment for any business that requires consistent and high-volume ice supply every day. That wraps up our review of the best commercial ice maker machines in 2026. We hope you found the perfect option for your restaurant, cafe, bar, or business needs. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know your favorite pick. Thanks for watching, and see you next time soon.